Hi guys, I'm going to take you on a little tour of the farm today. So we're going to head this way from the farm stand all the way through. We'll start at house 5 and work our way through the greenhouses that we have stuff in right now. So as we approach house 5, we're going to see a bunch of different plants. So we have peppers, some marigolds, some of our combo kits. Lots of different options for you guys this year. We've got some of the sun golds over here, some more annuals, succulents, and perennials, grasses, some more peppers, more of the annuals, perennials, some house plants for you. Then over here we've got some of the patio tomatoes, which are also a cherry tomato. More of the patio pots as we approach this way. We've also got some perennials over here. And then we've got some more different perennials on this side of the room. Then we have the Country Kitchen herb kit. So we have this one ready to go up here that we have transplanted a few weeks ago. Some more tomatoes and some succulents. We brought back the burrito. Everyone loved that last year. On the side of the room, we've got some of the geraniums and some petunias. New Guinean patience. Some more geraniums and over here. Some petunias. Some marigolds down here. Some lizanthus. And then over here we've got some petunias, begonias. Then on this side of the room we have some more peppers, some more hanging pots. We've got some more plants over here, some tomatoes, peppers. And then over here's some patio tomatoes, some sun golds. We have more tomatoes. They are just not ready to transplant yet. So once those are ready to transplant, I'll show you what those ones are. But we have lots of varieties this year. We've got some aloe plants down here, some roses growing. We also have some more succulents, a black petunia this year. Everyone was asking for something different. Some Dusty Miller, some more succulents and grasses, bee balm. Then over here we've got blue sage, foliage options for you, along with more succulents. We're gonna just show you right here. This is one of the seed rooms. Some Dracula, celosia. Over here we've got some more tomatoes and peppers. Some more seed starts. We've got some marigolds down here. Some more of the patio pots over here. Some more peppers. Then we're gonna head out of house 5. We're gonna work our way down to the next greenhouse. While we work our way to house 3, I will show you a little bit of outside. So that's house 1, or high tunnel. Down back is 2 in the shed. And we'll head to house 3 here. We have over a couple hundred hanging baskets hanging up in here. And then this is where we do all of our transplanting. We've got some trays set up here, back up here. We've got some petunias over here. Let's see what else we've got. White geraniums. We've got some gazanias. This is the pink ones. Then we also come down here. There'll be some marigolds over here, some peppers, petunias, let's see, we've got some more petunias. These are the lime and pink ones. On the floor we've got some begonias and aggritatum on the floor next to it. So we've got some bacopa over here. Some more petunias. More petunias, peppers. We had to utilize all of our space. So once it's closer to opening, everything will be organized. For right now, we just had to put everything together like this to maximize space here, as we don't have a lot of space to put plants at the moment. Sunflowers. And then over here we've got Osteosphere Room, an autumn color, some petunias on the floor, more petunias up here, the blue and white star, Kazania, the Tiger Day mix. And we'll walk through this way. This is where we usually have all our pots and trays. This is ginger, another seed chamber. We'll walk back over this way. On this side, we've got Overwintered Perennials, so some grasses, plumagos.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned, now I'm up all night. I'm picturing